Hi, everybody. I thought I would do an update. Fred's eaten his broccoli, I think. Maybe some seed. I don't know. Get some seed. But, yeah, I thought I would do an update. Everybody's doing well. I think I've waited too long to put him to bed tonight. I did have to get Fred's stick to get him to go to bed. I had to push just a little bit, and I thought maybe it'd be better with the stick, just to kind of remind him that he does need to go to bed. So he did. He was just a little bit worked up about it. But I think he's got a patience issue as he's starting to age. He gets good with his tricks, but then, like touch, he was doing really great with touch. Well, last couple of days it's been as if it's so easy that he's gotten bored with it. So I did change it up. I thought I would go back to spin, see if we could work on spin again. Yeah, see that he didn't just keep eating like I think he wanted to. It's the phone affects him. But anyway, we went back to spin. He did a few spins today, and then I thought we would do a touch and get him back in his cage. He did the touch, and then he didn't want to step up. It's like he's getting confused between touch and step up. But also, after I think it was 3 spins, he seemed to be getting agitated, having to think about what he was doing. So, yeah. He seems to like to learn, but definitely doesn't like getting agitated. Or maybe it's the season, I don't know. Either way, he's doing good. I'm just still being careful. Yeah, I'm still being careful. Petrie's been doing good. He tends to eat out of the dish, which he wouldn't even do that at first. But now, as I put his dish in, I let him take a bite or two, and then I put it in. Well, today, I couldn't get it out to dump it. Because if I let it get too full, then he just throws a lot of seed on the ground. So I take it out after every couple of days of it building up, get the old seed out, and not have a full dish of seed all the time, too. Yeah, well, he wanted to sit right there. He didn't want to let me have his dish. So he ended up riding the dish for a minute, which was pretty much a huge improvement in itself. So he's getting there. He doesn't just run from me now. He's being a little defiant. Again, it hasn't escaped me. The days are getting longer. This room doesn't get quite as dark as it was. So, yeah, maybe they're just getting a little hormonal. I mean, here it is. Yeah, 3:25. It's just barely starting to get dark. So, the birds are doing good. He's Richard here. He's letting me get closer. So, yeah. We're working on him. This cockatiel hasn't got his new cage yet, but yeah. He just never really warmed up to me. But we're trying again. We're trying again. I think I got frustrated and gave up on him, which I shouldn't have done, but we're trying again. Okay. You think Fred'll close? He's gotten talkative. You got talkative. Want to go night-night? You want to go night-night? Good night. No, I guess not. He's still throwing a little bit of tood. All right. Bye, everybody.